G'day guys, and welcome back to G's Autos. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, the time has come to give the EB a full detail. The car is pretty dirty and it hasn't been cleaned in a very long time. Now, if you had have seen my original video, the walk around when I first picked up the car, you would have seen how dirty it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm just driving up the road to a quiet park. I'll do a full walk around and show you just the full condition of the car as it is now. What I'm doing tomorrow, I'm taking the car over to Jaden at Brisbane Valley Mobile Car Detailing. Now, Jaden has just opened his first shop, so to help him celebrate, I'm getting him to do a full detail on the EB, which I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, like I said, the car's filthy, so I think it's going to look so much better once he's finished with it. And yeah, so look, Jaden does a really good job. He's a very positive person and really enjoys doing detailing, which is fantastic. So I can't wait to get the car over to him. Now, we've got some other content coming up. The window tint is all being replaced. The current tint is all bubbled and it's just no good. So all of that is coming off and being replaced. And the original stereo system is being completely revamped. So the original deck has been repaired. That will be going back in, and I've got all new speakers and subwoofer going into the car, so I'm really looking forward to that one as well. So keep an eye out for those 2 episodes coming up. But for now, let's head over to this park, do a walk around and take a look at the paint and the interior and everything like that. All right, let's start off in the boot. So the boot is it's not too bad. Needs a really good vacuum. That trim piece there isn't the best. I've taken out all the mats, put them in the boot. Now all up around the tops of the tail lights, the gutter along the rear window, all pretty dirty, as you can see. Not much you can do with the bumper, that's all pretty faded. Well, this is just years of built up dirt and grime, pretty much. Some scratches and some small dents in the paintwork, paint fade. I don't mind the car having a weathered look, I really don't. Clear coat's peeling, so hopefully Jaden might be able to get that off, I don't know. We'll see how he goes. Some surface rust is starting on the roof. So look, the paint job will come sooner rather than later, especially along the sunroof there. At some stage, the hood, the roof and the boot lid was painted. I'm not too sure how many years ago, but I don't know what went wrong, but she did start to peel and fade. All the door rubbers, they're all dirty. All the door jambs, as you'd expect, are all dirty. Look, the interior's not too bad. The seats aren't too bad, but they'll come up a lot nicer with a full shampoo. Carpets in the back aren't too bad. Headrest there is pretty dirty. So all this will get a good clean up. Door trims are in pretty good condition. Just the usual, all the door jambs and sills. Carpet will get a shampoo. Dash pad's pretty dirty. And that stereo, little crack there in the dash, that the stereo's out at the moment because it has been repaired in the last couple of weeks. That will go back in when I do the stereo upgrade. So a lot of peel. The clear coats is gone in some sections. But like I said, I don't care about the paintwork looking rough and weathered, as long as the car is mechanically all good. That's all I'm worried about. And it'd be good to see that tint go bye-bye. And it's pretty much the same on this side. All the door jambs need doing. A little bit of wear on the driver's side bolster on both of them. But overall, not too bad. Some cracking. So I'm looking forward to seeing what Jaden can come up with when he gets into the old beast. Like I said, this car's been sitting around for many years. Nothing much has been done with it. It's done a lot of Ks, over 500,000. Front bumper paint fading, that kind of stuff. Alright guys, that's how it looks. And like I said, tomorrow we'll drop the car off, leave it with Jaden for a couple of days, and yeah, we'll see the results. Hey guys, well, I'm going to say welcome back because it's been about 2 days since we last looked at the car. I've picked the car up this morning, and I tell you what, I couldn't believe how bad the car originally looked until I picked it up today and just saw a massive difference, what a really good clean has done for the car. Now, as you know, the paint is pretty bad on the roof, the hood and the boot. Jaden's done his best to clean it all up. It does look a lot better, but still it needs a good paint. But I'll tell you what, from how it looked to how it looks now, chalk and cheese. It looks absolutely fantastic. So enough out of me, let's take a look. And here we are guys, here is how the car looks now. Absolutely fantastic. Look at the difference in the colour. Looks so much better. I can't believe the rims actually got some shine to them. Absolutely wrapped. Now let's take a look at the boot lid, the hood and the roof. The hood came up really good. I didn't expect he'd get it looking as good as what it does. It was paint stuffed, but he's done a fantastic job just getting all the muck off the surface. And the roof looks so much better. I'm absolutely wrapped. It looked absolutely dreadful when I dropped it off to him. But it looks like the EB has a new lease on life. So what we're going to do, we'll open up the doors and have a look at the interior. And of course the interior looks absolutely, just looks awesome. So let's take a look. And here's the interior. The seats come up absolutely beautiful. I love the interiors on the EBs. I think the design of the EB interior is just, it's awesome. I really do like it. It is so much cleaner. I can actually see the center console. The seats came up so good. Got all the marks out, all the stains out of the velour. Looks awesome. So much cleaner. Now, the boot is so clean, I could live in it. Now the engine bay was already pretty clean after the detail I gave it, but Jaden's just given it a quick once over for me. So that's still looking very, very good. Well, it's nice to see under all that dirt, there was actually paint in the door jambs. little bit of rust down there in the sill, but all that will get fixed up.